Welcome to AlphaCars and Royal Enfield Boston. Today we're taking a look at this 2023 Royal Enfield Classic 350 in Marsh Gray. This bike presents an excellent value as it is in really nice condition. It's lightly used with only 1,492 miles on it, and we actually originally sold this bike here at Royal Enfield Boston to the original owner, to the one owner the bike has had, and they did bring it to us for service, so we did complete the first service here, and we just did the checkup on it at where the bike is now at 1,492 miles, and all we did was a chain service. We are meticulous here, and we just wanted to make sure everything's in tip-top condition. So we can see the chain there looks really brand new. We made sure it's an adjustment, cleaned it, and lubricated it. So that's really the bike's history and the service status. The tires and brakes are as you would expect for a bike with such low mileage. They're, I believe, around like 75–80% material remaining on the tires and brakes, but that you can see in our listing on alphacars.com, as at the time of this video posting, this bike is available. And you are just one click away from viewing the current pricing and availability on this Classic. But the Classic 350s in these colors, specifically this one with the Marsh Gray, they really don't stick around long. They're super popular, and you can really see why. It's such an awesome sort of classic rugged look that it gives the Classic. But let's go over it now. I've already walked around it a little bit, but it almost presents as a new bike. There's really little to no wear present. I didn't see really any corrosion or surface rust. The bike was in excellent, really clean condition. When we received it, we did just lightly clean it, but you can even see the brake rotors there. They're nice and clean, no corrosion or uneven wear. On the end points of the bike, always a good idea to check the end points there. If the bike did fall over or something, that's where the damage would occur. And as you can see on both handlebar ends, they're perfectly clean there, no damage. In my opinion, I don't think this bike has ever been over. It really does not appear so. It looks really, really good. Looking at the rear brake there, nice muffler. Now moving on to the handlebars, the controls. Once again, little to no wear up here. Let's turn on the ignition and we will fire it up. About a half tank of gas, 1,492 miles. It is in neutral, so let's fire it up. The fueling on these bikes are so good, they run super smooth, even cold. That classic thumper sound, 350cc, that big single cylinder, single piston firing away there. So that's really all I have to show you on this Classic today. Not a very long video because we're gonna put this in our showroom and you're not gonna be able to tell that it's a used bike. It is really in tip-top condition here. It was cared for so well, and it offers a great value, over buying a new one, as you're not gonna pay the freight fees from the manufacturer or, the uncrating and assembly costs. So keep that in mind as well. And this one is the desirable Marsh Gray color. So this has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough showroom. If you are interested in this bike, but it is sold, we always have a great selection of new and used Royal Enfields. So give us a call, send us an email. We'll be happy to find the right bike for you. But thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe for future motoring content.